Welcome 6th grade. Understanding customary units of measure. That's what you use each and every day. It'll probably be kind of familiar. Simplify. 2/8 goes down to 1/4. 6/16 goes down to 3/8. 4/8 goes to 1/2, and 12/16 goes to 3/4. You know how to reduce, I hope. Learn to understand and select appropriate customary units of measure. If you do not have an instrument such as a ruler, scale, or measuring cup, you can estimate the length, weight, and capacity of an object by using a benchmark, or something you know. The customary system is the measurement system often used in the United States. It includes units of measurement for length, weight, and capacity, or volume. The inch, foot, yard, and mile are the four that we use for length. You know that. Inch, width of your thumb. Foot, distance from your elbow to your wrist. Yard, the width of a classroom door. Mile, 4 times around a track. All right. So what unit of measure provides the best estimate? A doorway is about 7 inches, feet, yards, miles. Hopefully you can realize 7 feet. Most people fit through the doorway without having to duck. Most people are under 7 feet tall. All right? And you get 7 feet high, or you can think about it their way. A calculator is about 6 inches, feet, yards long. Well, I think I can hold a calculator in my hand, so I'm thinking it has to be inches. All right? What unit of measure provides the best estimate? A 4-door sedan is about 5, is it feet long? Is it yards long? Well, let's see. The length of a sedan is about 5 times the width of a classroom door. 5 big steps across it, so it is 5 yards long. A student's desk is about 3 feet long. You think about something you know to measure. Now we get down to the unit. Ounce, pound, ton. Later on, you'll have to use the very back page of your book, like the back cover. It has a lot of these conversion charts, or 6 ounces is so many pints, or everything like that. 16 ounces is 1 pound. An ounce is a slice of bread. Think how heavy a slice of bread is. A pound is like a loaf of bread. A ton is a small car. So, what unit of measure provides the best? A loaf of bread weighs about 16... It has about 16 pieces in it, so it would be 16 ounces. All right, 16 ounces is the same as 1 pound. A bite could weigh, well, is it 20 loaves of bread that it will weigh, or 20 ounces, or 20 tons? I would think it would be about the weight of 20 loaves of bread, so it's 20 pounds. What unit of measure provides the best estimate? A black rhino would weigh about 1. Well, a rhino is big, a sedan is big. That'd be a ton. A DVD remote control weighs about 8. I would think ounces. Yep, 8 slices of bread. We have our answer. Capacity deals with volume, or the amount a container can hold. Fluid, ounce, cup, pint, quart, gallon. People will expect you to know these if you do a lot of cooking. If you don't know them, like me, and the ladies that are good at making stuff will laugh at you because you don't know their conversions. All right, so what unit of measure best provides the estimate? A large cooler of water holds about 10. So we look. Fluid ounce is a spoonful. Cup, glass of juice. Pint, a small bottle of salad dressing. Quart, a small container of paint. Gallon, a large container of milk. Gallon, you probably have a good. Pint, quart. I think about pints and quarts when I talk about strawberries. All right. So a large water cooler holds about 10 of water. Well, a large water cooler holds about 10 times the amount of large container of milk, so 10 gallons. So a large water cooler like you take out to the ball fields and put water in for drinks, all right? A small fish aquarium holds about 20, I would say maybe pints. Think 20 times the amount of a small container of paint, so it is 20 quarts. Excuse me, I still get those confused. Use the ruler to measure the length of the line segment to the nearest half, fourth, or eighth of an inch. Well, is it to the nearest half? Is it to the nearest fourth? Or to the nearest eighth that works best? It goes to that littlest mark, because you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. That's to the nearest eighth. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eighths is the answer there. The segment is 1 5/8 inches long. Okay? Use the ruler again. Does it go to the half, the fourth, the eighth? Well, 1, 2, 3, that's divided into 4 parts. So I'd say it goes to the fourth. So 1 and then the first fourth, or 1 and 1/4 is what it comes to. Some people would argue that it goes here to the 3/8, but I think it's a lot closer to the 1 and 1/4. We're going to let you go. See what you know. Tomorrow we do metric. You're so excited.